Been a car valetner and detailer for many years. That was a great catch, wasn't it? But today we're going to be reviewing Maguire's Odor Eliminator car bomb. Now, I can't remember how much this was. There'll be sort of a price below. So the purpose of this is to apparently remove odours and bad smells in your car. I don't know how it's going to do that because you're supposed to actually remove the smell, but it does say on the instructions, remove the smell first before putting the Odor Eliminator inside. But it's an Odor Eliminator to remove smells. But anyway, start the vehicle with the fan on, close all windows with this on, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes basically, and you should be left with a super clean, odour-free car. I want to test this Maguire's Odor Bomb Odor Eliminator on this client's car. We've just valeted it, and now we're going to stick this Odor Eliminator inside and give you my verdict at the very end, if it's actually worth buying or not. So we're going to start the car first, haven't we? That's where she's going to live. Foot on the brake, start, stop. So aircon fully on, and turn the fan all the way up, circulate for the car, shake well, don't know why that matters, cap off, suppress the cap down, wait for 10 to 15 minutes. The reason why we're doing this on the customer's car today is because the car has been stood for a while at dealerships. It just smells a little bit old, previous owner, musky smell. So we're going to change that, fingers crossed, with this product. Ready? Hold it down. There we go. Right, now we're going to leave that to do its thing. Let's go back in, pour past the freckle. What does black chrome actually smell like? It just smells like very freshish with its like sort of, I don't know, male odour.
What do you mean by that?
Very manly scent.
It's got like toilet cleaner smell.
Yeah, honestly, it's not a win for me. So the spray time on this was about 2-3 minutes, but we have left it for 10-15 minutes as it says on the actual car bomb itself, with the air circulating in the car, just so it can do its thing, right? And honestly, there's nothing that a nice air freshener or a nice interior fragrance spray would do, in my opinion. But again, we need to know how long it will last, because if the scent lasts, a couple of weeks, then it's a winner, right? But from what we know now from using it today, out of 10, for the price point as well, 4 out of 10. It's the price though. For what it is, it's way too expensive. It's one go. It's not like if you had an interior fragrance product that you could keep in your car all the time and constantly reuse. It's like one go, one hit, and it hasn't in this car, but I have seen, actually no, tell a lie, you see these speckles in the chrome? We have cleaned the car beforehand, and you can see all these like little speckles, these little marks, but that's enough for me to bring it to 3 out of 10. Do you know what I mean? Because you've got to finally wipe the car down, which is fine, but I wouldn't recommend it. I really wouldn't. Sorry, Maguire's. Car dealers love these because it's a very quick throw it in, spray it on. I know Mercedes, a good friend of mine that works at Mercedes, got me on to trying one of these, and they charge close to £100 plus VAT for just doing this in your car. Seriously.
And they call it aircon decontamination.
Yeah. That's what they call it, right? And they put one of these in with your car on and charge you well over £100 for it. Daylight robbery. So when it comes to the car dealers, be very mindful and very wary of what they are doing and what they are charging you, because generally they're trying to just do you over most of the time, not all the time. 3 out of 10 products, must try harder, too expensive. Maybe I'll make it to 4 out of 10 if it lasts sort of a while, but don't buy it. In my opinion, get yourself a nice interior fragrance that you can stick on and underneath your car mats, and that's in your car at all times. You can fucking use it as and when you want. Crap. See you later. Love you all. Car valetner and detailing. Today I'm going to be car valetner and detailing. That's enough, not enough proof.